Say hi. Bye, David. Have fun?
Yeah.
You got it.
Hi, Indy.
Hi, Indy.
No, I'm short round.
You're short round.
Hi, Indy.
Hi, short round. You gotta watch where you're going. Okay?
That way?
Sure, you wanna go that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, watch out for Spike. Do it again. What is Spike doing? He being silly. Oh, you gotta back up. Here, watch. Okay, back up. Okay. Wait. You wanna go forward?
What?
You wanna go forward now?
Yeah. No.
No, you gotta go forward.
No.
Spike. Spike. Spike is silly. Go get him, Spike. Watch out. Go forward. You want to turn the wheel? You're going to crash into the shed. Here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spike, watch out. My dog is crazy. Spike. Spike. Quiet. Are you done?
No. I just
You want to push it? Where do you want to push it to? Go out in the sun. Go in the sun more. It's all shady over here.
What?
How do I get it? Spike, stop.
Wheels.
Yeah, go out in the sun. There you go. Well, you gotta turn the wheel though. Turn the wheel. Hey, don't crash into the shed. Turn the wheel.
What wheel?
The steering wheel. Yeah, that wheel. Do you want to put your seatbelt on?
No.
You gotta go that way. Go that way. Go straight. And go back. Hold on. Spike. Now turn the wheel that way so you go that way. So you have a whole big yard to drive in. I gotta get my other camera. Do you want us to put your seatbelt on? Say hi, say hi. Say put your seatbelt on. Do you like it?
I just turned it.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to turn it? You're strong. Let me see.
That way.
Alright. You gonna go that way? Yeah, turn the wheel this way. Turn the wheel this way. Yeah, that way. Oh, don't go up the hill. David, no, come back. Whoa! Now come forward. Oh, he wants to go up the hill. He wants to go up the hill. No, David. Come on. Don't go up the hill. Come on. It's gonna wear out the battery faster that way. David! It's wearing out the... Alright, go back and then go that way. Go that way. Don't go up the hill anymore. Now go straight. Go straight. Now turn the wheel though. Now turn the wheel. Alright.